In the last video, our game has gone off to a great start. It's multiplayer, it can assign roles to our players, and it allows you to pick up weapons which have the ability to shoot and kill each other. In this video, we'll be adding in ammunition and some new weapons. We'll start off with creating an ammunition system. We don't want our weapons to have infinite ammo. Limited ammunition makes sure players have to be more careful with how they're using their resources. You can see the ammo at the bottom right, and I know the UI doesn't look great right now, but that's a later problem. I've made it so that the weapon you pick up will already be filled with ammo, and then once you use it all up, you obviously won't be able to shoot anymore. Eventually I'll probably make ammo pickups, but I think this is enough for now. I also made it so that you can switch your weapon out for one that has more ammo. Now it'd be pretty boring if the game only had rifles, so let's add a bit of variety. First we'll add a pistol. Then we can add in a submachine gun. A shotgun never hurt anybody. And of course we'll need a sniper rifle. In the future I can change the zoom amount when you ADS with a sniper, since seeing half of your character while you snipe is a bit annoying, but it will require me to change some of the advanced locomotion system, which is a bit of a pain, so I'll do that later. We've already got a nice variety of weapons, and I don't want to add too many since balancing things will get pretty hectic, but there's one more thing that I want to add today, which is C4. In the future, things like C4 will only be available for traders, but I'll set up role-specific weapons another time. Programming the C4 is a bit different since the weapons I've been making up to this point have all been hit scan weapons. The way the C4 will work is it could be planted on any surface, then after 5 seconds, it will explode. The further away you are, the less damage it'll do. All of this took me quite a bit of time to program since I'm still pretty rusty with programming for multiplayer, but I think this is a good place to end off the video. If you enjoyed this, make sure you subscribe and like the video, be sure to comment any ideas you have, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.